Maybe can't dollar once.
Tuya asemaba dollar akodu 11 cedi aye de ebuso ya ka kire mo say dollar no John Dramani Mahama odi enema bi na ehyehyɛ mu enya real artificial na enche be na ebekɔ soro abrochirefo we die munya ntobo ase efiti next month komatimi asani yeska kodela na ba fo mo se mo nsani e biom efiti next month ekɔ me hya obo ebekɔ 12 cedis by next week enti no ebusuya o abrochire a efi next month ekɔ no betimi twa coins emi adenum credit ne band mu amunim enti ukopie mo media no so ebusuya enya sem koto na we na papa bi ya me dey friend Paddlemore ebeka say dollar ebekɔ by 3 cedi by the end of July na Ghana for say wo won say dollar na afedi ekɔ soro ebusuya mo me akɔhwɛ video na papa no o kan say dollar no ebekɔ 3 cedis number wi a asema Ghana for the be ball no nsema afedi be to dwa no ye no so ayden aka ho wi a ye de ho komo
Maybe can't dollar once. Me catch them say by the end of this May, dollar no be 9 cedis. And year bow, Mama me catch them by July ending, what them be 4.2. And dollar no, or mo target here 3.5. Or no peso mo ko stabilize the dollar. So we a businessman to send me. I say ma me kay tini mo be another. Politics, their people will do politics because that is what they do. So they will come and defend because call against them. So they have to defend. But as a who could take politics as a businessman, a big problem. What the dollar no 3.5. That is their target. And by the end of July, I'm telling you something. What the dollar no it will do 4.0. And that is what they are saying. Honorable.
You can move bien CCR, dollar, pound, euro, in the name of Ghana because of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Or never better penny up to forcing, forcenomics. Yes, it's Sanyama. No, I said dollar rate at the cost of the
most
higher dollar rate. You stabilize the city. We are resetting Ghana. Into futu amini and the mamono. Munti from August. Dollar no. About 3.5 to 4 cedi. It sounds like an incredible, but that is the truth.
Thank you.
No currently can ya. Mummy and 5 cedi in your juma. The Ghana for your did a wedding ever cedi. Your percept businesses in Ghana a tribe. Until Munyamon supported. And Nitina, ye dear. Your tia, your baby can't them. Into me on Quanasa.
That's honorable. So we dear Masumutum. Into dear, Yakan, Mamunti, Munfa Niagro, your business owner. Now, Dio Mochi, Usika Bashi, Usika Shebemia, to be Uncle to City. Yes, I'm many problem. Madam Massey, bye bye.
Yeah, almost in a real city here. I feel there was no. Now it change in math. But I don't see anything yet. Because this is just the beginning. I'm telling you, investors, more we invest in the idea in the bag and I'm train. Dollar no air rise it, right? So you guys should wait. By the end of September, I be October, November no. Now and number 15 cedis. Then number 15 cedis. And you know who be a or dollar ni be a massa. Men rush cry. Men rush it. But to them, what yes, for to them who building be a way anyway. Don't rush. And to boy say, we better start it. Ojuma by October going. Cause me no, a video I won't say any day. I drink here, mom. I drink here, Juma. The video I say, dollar no by October. There was 12 to 13 cedi. What you say? By November to December, no, a bit bronya no. That dollar 14 cedis. And you know, me how no cry. Me how. Now you see, Abraham and Becca Chum say, Omunja is putting more dollar into the forex no. Mama can see but now they don't know. Like they were pumping money into the forex, making it look like say dollar ni but it wasn't like that. And today no, exchange rate no, I expose your mama obi say dollar no. Afraid the ato is not forcing. Afraid the ato is not forcing. Afraid the ato forcing is not forcing again. Omunya nhwe ebusia, omunya ehunhwe. Say they be a catch them on how me Ghana same TV. Na ha say no ye no kure e na be brew. Ti no kure no e na ye de adwuma. Ebusuya dollar akosoro. Ato F4C and aton 4C. In some bebre koso media no so. Na ebusuya Ghana same TV e de nyina be brew. Videos na toto aso nyina na ebusuya. Videos are it's all about this story. And share video nyina kokosi. Na ye wi a me kan asem bia kire wansa na video no e de nyina aba na wi. Ebusuya o kan man bi no be kan say by July na dollar e wo 3 cedi ni say dollar na 11 cedi o. Sa man no tag no comment section ni mami. Ni ti so the boy ebusuya drafts ni ti so the boy ebusuya dollar na nam 11 cedi no. Bi dem mention obo but me kan kire wo say wo bia mendi because eko na ebeye den ebeye boom frete.
Afeyo marking, this is not the era of MPP. MPP was born out of lies, yet MPP have no credibility, yet MPP is useless as a political party, yet MPP does not have leadership, yet but Ghana for ye wajene, yen chain, and mamma tunfutru and fanguin. Afeyo marking 1, you are a failure, a political failure, you are a disgraceful politician, and you are a political bigot. I was saying we shut them no soon because Afeyo marking you have no credibility. Ye can't say yen kwankwa veti ministers. Afeyo marking always want to be pompous. Afeyo markings always want to show us or your orga. Which are the policies? 1D1F now can wasemno. Which of the factory and I say Krube and the MPP for etimiko see one factory wa hono ma omo to the D1D1F from scratch. Obiasi the factory no. Na ma paper nipa ni di. Na ma chiro so 1D1F. Muka ya jimi wa ho. Ya bremo Afeyo Kasongo 99 eye why? Wa kasa bi eye.
Yes, any phone the cancer on phone, Muntie, get away.
MPP was born out of lies, yet MPP have no credibility, yet MPP is useless as a political party, yet MPP does not have leadership, yet but Ghana for ye wajene, yen chain, and mamma tunfutru and fanguin. Afeyo marking 1, you are a failure, a political failure, you are a disgraceful politician, and you are a political bigot. I was saying we shut them no soon because Afeyo marking you have no credibility. Ye can't say yen kwankwa veti ministers. Afeyo marking always want to be pompous. Afeyo markings always want to show us or your orga. Which are the policies? 1D1F now can wasemno. Which of the factory and I say Krube and the MPP for etimiko see one factory wa hono ma omo to the D1D1F from scratch. Obiasi the factory no. Na ma paper nipa ni di. Na ma chiro so 1D1F. Muka ya jimi wa ho. Ya bremo Afeyo Kasongo 99 eye why?
So you girl, so you mommy, so you den you better respect yourself. You better respect yourself. Now, Afeyo marking minority leader was signing. Our kind of one now who friend is or a political bigot. You don't even understand the word that you are using. That's why you're just saying it. Because what is a man for KB that can be? Let me tell you, none of you MPs are more parliament on them. Any of you signing Afeyo marking Ayawo, a foot constituency, Winnibano, more MPs na yebi. Go to the constituency and ask. And unti and okay say MP no do no dinekeke. Na yendi sin na teso no betu ni free so oni ma me ka kire wo. Oba ye no, endi sin bianti mi betu ni da. You talk about twem musa. Go to the constituency and go and ask. The work the man is doing there. Now, who say MPP was born out of lies, bro? I don't know if who you about your bear man, but let me tell you, if you want to know the party in there, wama wenya found the ultimate freedom of speech na about ultimate Kambia. It was the MPP government. You don't even have idea about what you're talking about. Michelle Crowd free education. Michelle Crowd me wo no free healthcare unya went to yashe. But today, because phone ayefo, police abafo, media ayefo, am wenya eye media funu bi gina so kansem hunu, odwan dwente te se wo. Nya sam ne nkanka wo say ne wan wo nipa ogina we. Na wo kan enti a 1D1F na all kan no himfa kra na government intimi be from scratch. I don't know. But let me educate you. I'm not going to mention the brief because I can't be breach. What about your politics? But I'm telling you, a coffee juice factory was built by the MPP. While the Wali Watermelon factory was built by the MPP from scratch. A Contombra rice factory was built by the MPP from scratch. Mama me and South Yambo one mama 3. Now, sis, if we talk about 1D1F, but I say idea, 1D1F is the public and private sector initiative. And just say uncle buying initiative. And nunti say oh company now person the best buying us now buying more incentive buying the go when maybe one waiting the best share. What you the friends the public and private sector initiative. And the social DC 24-hour economy on the normal say oh company now person the best share here. Abana ma some incentive be wow ama wabo ama nyema we and wedding wabo am waye wama taxes but it never be so heading at the amount. That's the same thing as the 1D1F initiative. So once you say you come, you act and we educate you on that and stop being ignorant. Yes, Ramo.